how to add multiple email accounts on iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First thing first, open the settings app on your mobile device. Now inside the settings, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and look for the mail app option available there and simply tap on it. After you tap on the mail, you will get to see accounts option available there. Tap on it again. Now inside the account, you'll get to see add new account option available there. Tap on the add new account and you'll get to see various lists of email providers like iCloud, Google, Yahoo, Outlook and others. Select your email provider from the list. If your provider is not listed, then you can tap on the other to set up your account manually as well. Then all you have to do is enter your email address and password when prompted. Depending on your email provider, you might need to provide additional information like your name or description for the account. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.